Yeah.
Okay, so I want to make a quick video showing you how to create multiple audiences in Google Ads Editor, um, or rather, how to add them to ad groups. So, first things first, you want to find the audiences that you want to add. In our case, we added a bunch of new 15-day audiences, and we have our retargeting campaigns segmented out into um, different ad groups based on how long ago they visited the website: 15-day, 7-day, 30-day, 60-day. So we want to add the new 15-day audiences across all of our retargeting campaigns, and we want to do it all at once. So what I did is I highlighted, so I just searched for 15, highlighted all of the audiences. These were the ones remaining. I'll show you how to do this again in a second with 7-day. And then once I found the 15-day audiences that needed to be added, I then highlight all of the 15-day or all of the campaigns that they need to be added to. Find the 15-day ad groups, highlight them all, and then simply click Control V, ad group level, boom, done. All of them have been added. Have to do this for the other types of audiences. I'll quickly show you how to do this for 7-day. Click Add Audience, go to Retargeting, 7 space, and then same thing. Highlight them all, boom. Start with the top, highlight all of these, and then click Control, hold down Control and uncheck, and click on the audience you want to uncheck since it doesn't have the error message. Take all of these new audiences, highlight them, and go into all of the 7-day audiences again, highlight them, and Control V. Bam. So that is how to add these to all campaigns. Quickly, I'll show you another useful trick. So often for retargeting audiences, I like to add a small bid adjustment because we we would like to bid higher for people who fit into certain retargeting audiences. You can highlight all of the retargeting audiences available and then add a bid adjustment here, right? I've added 20, but if you change it to 10, it updates it for every single audience all at once. Do not adjust to 1020. That is not a good idea. So quickly, I'll just have a look to make sure all retargeting audiences have been given a bid adjustment. Boom. So that has adjusted the bids for every single campaign. And then once you've added the audiences you want to upload, just click Post, all campaigns, done. Uh-oh, got some errors. Let's see what they are. Okay, this is something you get sometimes with audiences. Yeah, so it looks like it's related to the type of audience it is. These are based on conversion categories and customer lists. Just go through, remove them, and you're done. Cool. So that is how you create or how you upload multiple audiences at once. This is infinitely faster than using the Google Ads interface. I implore you to get good at Google Ads Editor. It will save you a ton of time and make you a much better Google advertiser. So I'll try to do more videos on Google Ads Editor. If you have any recommendations on videos to do, please leave a comment. And also, if you have any questions, leave a comment as well. Please subscribe for more content. And I hope this was valuable. Cheers.